everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a craft haul video. I have some items that I purchased from HSN, from Spellbinders, and I think I went to Michael's and maybe Hobby Lobby. So let's see what I have. So first up, I was super excited to get these. These are Anna Griffin's Halloween vellum card toppers. And I don't know if you watched her on Craft Day on HSN, but I could not wait to get these. These have the cutest little toppers for cards. And I love making Halloween cards, and I seem to never have enough sentiments, you know, for the front. But look at all this goodness here. We have a wicked Halloween. You cast a spell on me. Best witches. I'm just gonna drop them over to the side here. And then we have bugs and kisses to you. And just tons of cute, really awesome card toppers. And we have the, look at this little one. It says spooky salutations. I really love these. And then you got some other Halloween elements here. And be sure to stick around. I have a little giveaway at the end of this video. I have some florals, trees, some hoot owls, some spell books, some houses, leaves, a little sweet little witch there. Just all kind of goodness. And then also with this one, you get, put that onto the side. I think that's it. So it's 78 card embellishments, 24 layers and 24 vellum layers and 24 sentiments. Let's see, where are the vellum? I don't see them. They're probably in there on my desk, or I've got them in this next box. So let's look ahead. So this one is the 120 mini Halloween stickers and sentiments. Once again, super excited to get this one. And this one has the rectangle sentiments you can put on the front of your card. Have a happy Halloween. Have a wicked Halloween. By the moon we gather here to celebrate this time of year. Happy Halloween. Isn't that cute? So those are awesome. And then they come with some ephemera. Should have had this out for you guys to see it a little better. I'm all over the place today. So this one has florals and some spider webs and leaves. Super cute. And these are the vellum toppers that go with the other set. So I had that in there in my mistake. And then it has these card layers. Super spooky. So that is that set. And this one is the 120 mini Halloween stickers and sentiments. So super excited to start my Halloween cards. I don't know about you guys, but you know. And then I also picked up the Halloween embellishment die set, and it comes with this little sheet that she shows you idea sheets and how to stack your plates if you need to. And so here they are. Let's move this out of the way. So you have a witch, a black cat, bat, girl, and then like a frame. And then on the other side, of the other sheet, you have a fence. Let me get this out for you. Man, oh man, I am not ready today. I'm sorry, guys. Try to be more prepared on my videos, but today I'm not. All right. So there we go. So then it has this gate, this really pretty ornate gate, a hoot owl, a pumpkin or jack-o'-lantern or fence, and then a spider web. So I did cut a few of these out. Just went to town on a few of them. And here's the little girl. And then once you emboss it, You get her little hair in the ponytail and then some dimension on her hat there. It's kind of hard to see, so I hope you're able to see that. And then the black cat, it's the same way. You get a little bit of dimension defining his leg there. And then the bat, I thought was really cool because look at the dimension in that. Can you see that? Super cool. And then here's the fence. Cut that out. And then this really pretty decorative star kind of swirliness going on like that. And then the little frame where you could possibly put the little witch on that. How cute is that? And then we have this witch on a broom. And then we have the little hoot owl, and he has a little dimension if you emboss it too. So yeah, I'm ready to start a little bit here. So I'm very excited about those Anna Griffin dies. Next up, I went to Michael's, and I just picked up these little heart stickers. They were only 99 cents. I thought they were super cute. And then at Hobby Lobby, I picked up this this stamp. It says, "Wishing you a fabulous birthday. Hope it's filled with all your favorite things." So thought this looked really nice for an inside of a card. And then I picked up this ribbon, I think at Michael's too. They had a bunch of ribbon on sale. I didn't really need much, so I just thought that was nice and sparkly. And so next up is my die of the month from Spellbinders, and it's the strawberry patch. So this is super cute. You know, strawberries are really popular. Don't know if they're popular as the lemons and the bees that were going on last year and continue this year, but I thought it was a nice, big, large set. And I did make some cards from that I'd share with you. So first up is a little 5.5 by 5.5 card. Got this turned out really cute. I really like the strawberries. They're so colorful, super easy to cut out with the leaves. And then here's the same strawberry vine on a 5 by 7. So this is kind of interesting. So when I adhered the strawberries to the paper, I had flipped it over the wrong side. So my dotted edge was backwards. So I was like, I couldn't peel it off. It had adhered. So I just thought I'd cut this ribbon out and make a little frame so to kind of save the card. So I think it turned out okay. What do you think? Let me know below. So as far as a giveaway, I will draw a name. Just put Halloween in the comments if you're interested. These are some extra ephemera from the Anna Griffin kits that I have that most likely I won't use. Some jack-o'-lanterns. I don't really like skeletons and skeleton heads. And then these large pieces that most likely I wouldn't use. So, yeah, that's super creepy. And then that one, I think it's 3 of each of these, except this one is 2 of these. So let me know below if you're interested. I'll draw the name on Friday. So just put Halloween in your comments below if you're interested in this ephemera. And thanks for